work is fine. So we turn this into a 3D layer. We take the position of this guy, paste it into the position of this guy, and then parent, just like we did in the right eye and the left eye. So now we need to go back in the right eye and add an expression to the null. This time though, instead of to the anchor point, we're doing it to the position. So alt click, and we want to say we can actually leave this in here this time because we need it at the end of our expression. So comp master scene dot layer master null dot transform position. So after you've done that, copy just this first bit that you wrote, not the last transform dot position. Copy this, and what I'm going to do is toggle all of the attributes and go into the X, Y, and Z rotation. Alt click and copy and paste that. Copy and paste again. Copy and paste again. This will allow any camera movement to in the master scene to be updated in the right eye. Now we need to go into the left eye and do the exact same thing. So open up the position of the left null, paste, let's get all these open. Oops. Alt click, not just click. Oh. And yep, I know. Undo that. Paste. Paste. And this time you don't have to worry about changing positives or negatives in order to for the right eye and the left eye, because what you're doing right now is just copying the movement of the master camera. So now we need to go back into the stereo rig and add one more slider. So stereo rig, VFX slider control. This time we want to label it scale, and the reason we're doing this is because when you get further along the problem and you separate the two images, the problem you're going to have is that you're going to get a border around here where the left eye jumps over here a little bit, so you'll have a border on this side, and the right eye goes this way, so you'll have a border over here, which breaks the illusion. The easiest way to do this, instead of going in and resizing your comps, is just to scale up the comp a little bit to move the borders outside of your viewing window, and instead of having to do it over and over for each one, you can just add this slider and it handles every comp. Oh, you're also going to want to change this slider start position to 100, which just means 100%. So, you know, you can go down to 0, but you'll most likely just be going up. Now what you're going to want to do in order to get this slider to work is go in here, press S to get your scale. Alt-click it like you're about to enter an expression, but instead of having to put in an expression, just grab the pick whip. Oops, we need to highlight controls again. Grab your pick whip and bring it up to the scale slider. And that will get you, that will automatically put together this neat little expression and save you some time. So again, now go into the left eye, scale, S for scale, alt click, and pick whip. Used to shake where you get where you can have two different things up at once. And that should be good. I need to turn off caps lock so I can see what I'm doing here. Oh no, I have to get out of that. Excuse me.